Okay, folks, welcome to Best Stock Charts for the coming week. This is Bob Desmond, and it is July the 5th. I hope everyone had a really great 4th of July weekend, and tonight we will be doing Sunday Night Futures Live, so join us 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time live as the futures markets open up. We'll talk about the price action. We will also talk about what symbols our members would like me to review live on video. And if we have time, we'll go to some super chats and we'll take some requests from the audience. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over the charts from a higher level view, meaning I'm going to go over the weekly charts. And I'm going to talk to you about why I like the charts. I've already discussed in great detail with members on the week ahead commentary our strategy for entering these trades, our entry points, stop points, and price targets will be listed in the members area under watch list. And the week ahead commentary has already been sent out to members and is posted in the members area. So members, I would suggest skip this video, go over to the more in-depth, the week ahead commentary video, again, posted in the members area. All right, so let's begin with a brief overview. Last week, we saw some fading of the rally on Wednesday, then Thursday. It's a bit of a concern as we proceed into the new trading week, but net, I believe that odds favor bulls, in particular, biotechs, healthcare, and technology. But we will keep an open mind, and if we decide to tighten up our stops, I'll let members know, and perhaps we will look to lean into the short side of this market when the market sends us a signal, and we'll talk more about that on Market Wrap throughout the week. So let's begin. Monthly chart of silver. This is the AGQ. Normally I would trade the USLV, which is a leveraged ETF, but that's being sunset. It's being delisted. So the AGQ is our preferred vehicle of choice for trading silver at current. If you don't want the volatility, simply buy the SLV. Now, thus far in July, again, monthly chart, we are off the highs of the month. No new monthly low, no new monthly high. We are flirting with a breakout here. You're seeing strength across the board in precious metals, whether it be uranium, whether it be platinum. You're seeing strength. And what you're seeing with the price of silver is the rising 20-period moving average. It had been declining for quite some time. Now flattening out, or now has flattened out, is rising and acting as a rising floor for silver. So we're going to look to nibble to the long side, and we'll be looking to buy breakouts. And for more detail, go to the week ahead commentary posted in the members area. The next chart up, Cyberark, weekly chart, loving RSI, hooking up. Stokes, hooking up above 50. Last week, a beautiful, beautiful bullish key reversal, and not only a bullish key reversal on Cyberark, but an outside reversal week, meaning it engulfed the prior week's very bearish price action. And you can see here that we had a lot, as noted by these topping tails, wicks, shadows, call them whatever you want, call them cupcakes, that we had a lot of resistance above. We closed right at that resistance target last week. Let's see whether or not we get a new weekly high here, and perhaps we will be looking to get long. And again, I go over strategy with regard to entry points, exit points with members on the weekend commentary, and I have those numbers published on our watch list in the members area. The next chart up, weekly chart TFFP, TFF Pharmaceuticals. We broke out last week, folks. This cannot be ignored. We were in a triangle formation for a couple of months. We have now successfully broken out. We did close slightly off the highs of the week last week. Still net quite bullish. Would like to have seen volume a bit higher last week, but it was an abbreviated week. And not only that, it's a summer doldrums. So we'll give it a pass at current. So we'll talk about strategy for entering the trade using the daily chart on the week ahead commentary. Go check it out. Members area. Weekly chart looking very strong for TFFP. Citrix Systems, CTXS, is the next symbol. Now, I posted in the members forum the other day that we were looking to buy Citrix, but it did get away from us. We closed out the week last week with a beautiful breakout on a weekly basis. We closed just off the highs of the week. Look at these Stokes, higher lows, RSI, higher lows. Beautiful stuff here. So do we want to go chasing? No, not our strategy. We want to wait for a pullback. We have a price target in mind. Then we will look to enter Citrix to the long side. Take note of Ultimate Oscillator. More higher lows. All we need now are higher highs. And again, members, for a deep dive, go to the members area where we talk in greater detail about Citrix using multi-time frame analysis. Beyond Meat. More of a speculative trade. There was some good news out last week about their business, and it didn't behave all that well. Perhaps it's a tell, so we'll keep that in mind. But we did manage to retest one support level last week, then we closed above another. So while we closed down on the week, net, I'm still viewing it as a positive in that what the market has told us is that we have buyers below. So we know where to put our stop loss point. Now it's a matter of where do we get long and when do we get long. Other than that, not much to talk about this chart. I think there's a greater conversation to be had on the daily chart, well, with regard to the daily chart, and I discussed that with members on the week ahead commentary. Go check it out, 14-day free trial offer. The last chart up, weekly chart, Blue Apron. You're seeing more and more cases of coronavirus. Blue Apron, which had benefited, gave up a lot of gains, and we've been consolidating ever since mid-March. And now, last week, what happened? We broke out. Volume could have been better, but again, an abbreviated week. So I'm not going to dismiss the light volume. This is still a concern. I would like to see a breakout on rising up volume. We didn't get that. So we have a strategy in place for entering this trade and using a tight stop just in case we are wrong. And again, I went over that with members on the week ahead commentary posted in the members area. Take note of RSI, higher lows, and now we are poised to break out to new higher highs. So I'm loving the setup here. Members, more to come throughout the week. And please join us tonight, open to all on YouTube. Sunday Night Futures Live, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Sunday night when the stock market truly opens for the new trading week. So join us. And everybody enjoy the remainder of your weekend. Be well.